Unusual activity time. Dr. J, that means you're up.
All right, Scott. When you've got tomorrow's newspaper today, you can make some interesting trades, and it appears people are doing something like that, Scott, because in box this morning with the stock at 22.30 or thereabouts, they started buying calls, upside calls, April 24 calls. And just before we came on air, Starboard allegedly is really putting pressure on Box to explore a sale of the company. That's according to Trade the News. So the stock is running right now. These calls, they bought over 10,000 of these calls early on. Now the stock has moved through 24 and pushing higher. Like I say, that news just coming out about Starboard. I think they're about an 8% holder of shares, Scott. So I'll be in those, maybe not even the full 2 or 3 weeks.
Just a coincidence.
Just a coincidence, Scott. Yep.
Right.
I'll probably be in those a short period of time because of that. The second one, Scott, is what's going on right now in QUANTUMSCAPE. This is a Kathy Wood favorite, of course. She talked about it years ago. Now it's a $60-some-odd stock. They're buying the 80 calls in this one, with the stock moving up from 58 to 61. Watch this one. Also, April, both of these two call purchases were April. I'm not going to buy something that far out of the money, Scott, but I did buy at the monies and sold higher strikes against it. Probably be in them about 3 weeks.
Now, let me just go back to the boxing real quick, not to put you on the spot or anything, but you must have insight into this.
Sure.
I mean, you know, come on. I mean, there's like a huge amount of call buying in the stock, you know, a day or so before a report comes out that the company's considering putting itself up for sale because it's being pressured by an activist, and we're all supposed to just take that at face value, Doc? I mean,
well, I suspect, Scott, that somebody that knew that Starboard was going to pressure this board and the owners, or the people that run the company, not the owners, that's the shareholders, but they were going to pressure them to explore a sale. If you knew that news was coming out, yeah, you've got tomorrow's newspaper today. You could make some money off of that. Whoever leaked that, because I don't know that Starboard did, but whoever leaked that, that's interesting news and it's valuable. It's not from the company, it's from a buyer. Again, somebody that owns a large chunk of the company.
Yeah, I don't know. It just makes me look at that like, yeah, right.
Yeah, it makes things that make you say,
Yeah. All right, Doc, thank you.